All right, another day of just great momentum with Save Club. All right, so far so good. It's going really good. Every day I'm getting signups. And yesterday, man, I was busy. I did some videos for YouTube, but I had to go down and help a friend remodel. It's actually a gentleman's club here in Salt Lake City, and we ended up having like a lunch and a dinner and just going over lots of things and shows. We're going to have rock bands outside in the parking lot and bikini contests and car shows, motorcycle events. Inside, we're doing so many fun things, like we do the blue ball. Okay, like the ball, Cinderella goes to the ball. We're going to do the blue ball. All right, we're going to do Christmas in July. We're going to have country hoedowns. All right, and just have 80s night, disco night. We're going to do all this, all these fun activities. Okay, but that was all day yesterday when I was working, creating fun. Okay, that's what I kind of want to do in my video here, or if you watch any of my videos, I try not to be too serious, have a little bit of a sense of humor thing. Okay, but it's very exciting when you have a whole other life besides being online. Okay, I actually enjoy working. I really do. I can do videos like this all day, but you know what? I got to get outside, ride my bikes, produce stuff, do comedy things, do radio shows and everything else that's kind of pertaining to the fun thing. Okay. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that so far, the Save Club thing, boy, it's exciting. If you missed the boat with Live Good, this is your chance. Okay. I'm speaking to a lot of people that are in my downline, other people's downlines, and just to anyone that might have joined Live Good. You did the best you can, but maybe you got a few signups, friends, family, and maybe you're generating a couple bucks, but at least you're enjoying the Live Good products wholesale. Okay, but if you feel like you missed the boat, you should really look into this Save Club opportunity. Not that it's exact, not that it's really similar, but the back office is similar. The pay structure is actually better than Live Good. The comp plan, pay plan. All right. I'm going to show you how to look it up. Okay. But I want this video to be somewhat short. I got to go outside and do some things real quick, but I thought I'd shoot you a video just to show you a few things. Okay. First of all, I love saveclub.com. I sure do. Go there. I want you to pre-enroll. Okay. And all you got to do is fill in this information right below my face here. Hit that little orange button. You're going to get more information, but I want you locked in. And if you want to sign, just open up your Save Club email. Pretty easy, right? Watch this YouTube video too, because if you don't want to do video like I'm doing, webinars, Zooms, you don't want to do selfie videos on your cell phone, don't worry about it. This opportunity, all right, the people that are in back, okay, of this Save Club thing, all right, they're maniacs like myself. They believe in video. They believe in duplicating through simplicity. You got to make it easy. Invite someone to click something to watch something. Okay, invite, click. In my case, what are you guys clicking? I love saveclub.com. There you go. And then I want you to watch this video. And you can make a decision, are you in or out? Now, if you're in Live Good or you didn't have success, guys, just get in. All right, we are barely a week old. Okay, we are duplicating the numbers that Live Good did back December 13th to January 13th, the first 30 days of 2022. Okay, if you missed the train, if you missed the boat, if it's set sail and that train's hauling ass, just do it. Have some faith. Trust me. All right, I've talked to some very big leaders in Live Good that are behind this opportunity, and they are full throttle. And that's how they were able to get, not only neighborhoods, but cities and damn near states and countries underneath them. Okay, so if you missed the boat with Live Good, don't miss this one. Just go to ilovesaveclub.com. Sit back. All right, don't freak out. Watch that video. Fill this out. Okay, and I hope you have success like I'm having. Okay, I'm not even working this full time yet, but I'm just providing content, having fun, messing off a little bit on my videos. All right, I post a little bit on my favorite is Facebook. Okay, and you can see I joined, last Thursday, so a little over a week ago, and you can see I had 10, 6, 2, 5. Look, just a real consistent flow of people signing up, okay, and people pre-enrolling. Yesterday, it looks like I had 3 people, and then they upgraded 4, and I wasn't even working yesterday. And look at this morning, this is my first video of the day. It's 83 degrees here in Salt Lake City. I'm going to wash my motorcycles, and I got a bunch of Hummers. I'm going to go polish them up. I got a big car show tomorrow. big fun weekend. Okay. I've already had somebody pre-enroll. So thank you. I did not look up who you are, but I'm going to send you a nice email. Okay. And it looks like I already had someone upgrade. So maybe that person pre-enrolled and they went ahead and said, hey, I got $60. All right. I got faith. I got $19.97 a month to save a whole bunch of money with Save Club. You guys can figure all this out. Okay. This video, I just wanted to say hello real quick and say, look, if you feel like you missed the boat in Live Good, and you know what? I think I'm top 30 in Live Good. I produced just a ton of videos. I make a real nice, substantial amount of change. Not only with one Live Good account, I actually got 3, and it's awesome. Okay, Live Good treats me good. It pays some of my bills. Okay, but it's led to other big opportunities. All right, so some of my opportunities, guys, makes way more. All right, I almost make double diamond income versus what a normal diamond makes just in Live Good. So it's led to other opportunities, and they all complement each other. But I'm telling you straight up, Save Club, it is similar to Live Good. I think it's simple. I think it's easier. And right now I feel like, hey, you know what? The most successful guy actually in Save Club, all right? I'm in his group, okay? And there is he's and she's and plenty of other people. I think there's a giraffe and a hippopotamus and I think a beaver. We're signing up a beaver today. So that's right. Even zoo animals, I think, can do this because they want to save money. All right, a hippopotamus, he probably wants some shampoo and conditioner because those hippos, they just love the water, don't they? And as I look at my face here with my giant forehead, it almost looks like a hippopotamus is mooning you when you look at my forehead. All right, a real tan one. Okay, so guys, what do? You just got to make a decision. You got to keep trying this online business. Don't give up. There's plenty of people that are successful with 0.0 experience, 0 personality, 0 fun in their lives. All right? Negative, pissed off at the world, retired, shy, scared, who knows what. All right? We're going to bring you out of that shell. And you can use other videos that are just neutral, that promote this opportunity. And you just make sure you have a nice link that goes to the pre-enrollment page, and I'll help you guys out. All right? I'm not that greedy. You don't have to sign up with me all the time. I hope you do. But almost every day, I give just friendly advice to people that have already signed up in Save Club. They just want to know what a handful of people on the leaderboard are doing. Okay? And me, I'm the same. Okay? But anyway, I got my style, my technique of doing stuff, and so far so good. But it starts with ilovesaveclub.com. There's my business card. There's my domain, and I've got my email address there too. All right? If I can help you out, I surely will. Sometimes I can get back with you right away. Sometimes it takes a little while. But anyway, Cory at corydraper.com. So guys, I hope you get a hold of me. I hope you at least sign up. I don't want you to feel like you're missing this boat. I feel like I'm on the cruise ship and I'm right there with a nice cold drink going, brother, sister, come on, I got my hand out. All right, come on. All right, I'm 220. I'm not the biggest guy, but I'll tell you what, I can lift you. If I have to lift you on my back, I don't care if you're a big old guy named Bob. Get on. Come on, I'll give you a piggyback ride. Let's get on this ship, go by the pool, get a drink, and let's go over how to make this thing fun. All right, so don't miss the boat. All right, don't miss that ship. Come on, you can do this. So, guys, I'm out of here. I like to make my videos all around 10 minutes, and right now it looks like I'm at 9. So if I end this early, boy, that's a miracle because people know I love to make videos. So anyway, thank you for everyone that has pre-enrolled over the last week, and especially a big thanks to everybody that has upgraded. All right, I'm well on my way to over 100 people, just my first couple weeks, and I got a big old fat check yesterday. I didn't even expect it. I got home last night really late, around midnight, and I went ahead and I had to do some banking things on my checkbook. All right, I got my little rock and roll checkbook here, man, and I just opened it up, and I went, you know what, I'm going to just put my balance. So I went to online, and I opened up my bank, blankblank.com. Put in my username and password, and I go, my gosh, why? I have way more. I have almost $1,000 more in my pocket. What's going on? And I'm like, oh my God, Save Club. I forgot they pay. Yesterday was Friday. And I'm like, oh my gosh, Live Good gives me money, a real nice check on Thursday. And now I'm getting a nice old check on a Friday. And today is Saturday morning. All right, so this is very exciting. I just want you to have the same feelings or at least the same experience I'm having because it gives you peace of mind, especially when you put some time and effort into this online thing, and it equates to this. I like to call it moolah. Okay? All right, guys. Thanks again for your time. Let me show you my business card. That's all you got to do. Click that right there. I love Save Club. Okay? .com, and fill out your information. Watch that short video, okay, guys? And you're well on your way ahead of the curve. This thing does not really go mainstream public till June 1st. So we're still in the pre-launch phase, which means more people have kind of an inside thing. All right, a little inside fast lane. Okay, so let's sign up some big numbers. Okay, you help me, I'll help you. All right, guys, have a good weekend. Okay, I'm out of here. I got to go outside for a while. We'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye, guys.